Hey everyone, my name is Delon Dixon and I'm the founder of Think Technologies, and today I'm excited to introduce our new product, YouThink. YouThink is an AI-powered e-learning platform designed to bridge the digital divide and help you understand how you can leverage today's cutting-edge online tools. Whether you want to master Google Analytics, Canva, or ChatGPT, or if you're looking for ways that you can streamline daily tasks in your business, YouThink is here for you. Our courses span everything from building an AI assistant for your business to showing you how to prepare for meetings with investors. And if you're new to the space, don't worry, we have plenty of beginner-friendly content that's perfect to help you kickstart a new career in technology. YouThink is designed for people of all ages and from all different stages in their career. Whether you're a student, a seasoned professional, or someone later in life that wants to learn a new skill, YouThink is designed for you. We'll be bringing in experts across various fields to share their knowledge. So if you're a pioneer in your space and you want to teach others, please visit the YouThink site and understand how you can become an instructor and have your knowledge added to the YouThink curriculum. We have even more exciting news. We'll be integrating our very own Think Technologies Connect AI assistant to help you every step of the way, recommending the best courses for you and helping you identify the best learning path to meet your goals. I also want to give a huge shout out to our partners at Clixie. Their cutting edge technology allows each of our courses to have quizzes, chapters, bookmarks, and more advanced accessibility features like translations and subtitles. This allows everyone to access the YouThink courses and get value from the curriculum. Want free early access? Join our waitlist at u-think.io or click the link below. We'll keep you posted on news about the curriculum, and once it launches, we'll send you an early access code. Take your digital skills to the next level with YouThink. We can't wait to see you there.